Wood-Mizer has a long and proud history of working and supporting the African continent for over 30 years. Wood-Mizer is committed to working with and helping our sawmillers in Africa to be successful and to change their lives.
L'Afrique doit être traitée avec respect. Le service joue un rôle important à cet effet. Lorsque nous vendons une machine Wood-Mizer, on promet de l'entretenir durant toute sa vie opérationnelle.
We have a full complement for Wood-Mizer because we start from the machine. We sell the machines. We sell the accessories, the parts. Started with a few customers.
This commitment to supporting sawmillers throughout Africa is our promise to the market. Wood-Mizer will be there every step of the way to grow your business with class-leading service, advice and support.
This focus on relationships inspires us to spend time with each sawmiller to understand what they need and how Wood-Mizer can assist them to reach their goals.
One of Wood-Mizer's biggest drives is to increase recovery of sawn logs, and this really does change the environmental aspects that we look at, because we are able to get more lumber from every log that we saw. And this is really changing the way people are looking at sawmilling in Africa, because we are trying to be part of the solution, not part of the problem.
You will see it later with your own eyes what our machine can do, what this machine can do to your business. We are so happy to be part of this.
Wood-Mizer prides itself in the fact that we are one of the only sawmill manufacturers that manufacture their own blades. And these blades have revolutionized sawmilling throughout the world.
We as the Wood-Mizer Africa team feel incredibly privileged to be able to work in Africa and to be part of an industry that can make a difference in so many people's lives. We're from Africa, we're passionate about Africa and its people. We want this continent to prosper.
We believe that it's very important for the company to not just be seen to be a sawmilling machine manufacturer, but to actually make a qualitative difference to people's lives. Our encouragement to the market in African countries is to build a sustainable business model going forward. You know, where people can actually create a business that can go from father to son to grandson.
Wood-Mizer isebenza kusuka ehlathini kuya kwifomu yokugqibela.
Utloha morung kuya kwiforomu ya uqedela.
Wood-Mizer, de la forêt à la forme finale.
Wood-Mizer, van plantasie tot eindvorm.
Wood-Mizer, from forest to final form.